Hey, how's it going everyone? In this video, we're going to learn how to fix this annoying screen flickering issue. Some of you who are using Windows 10 have recently unfortunately noticed that the screen keeps on flashing on and off on and off. Depending on the situation, this can be caused by majorly two things. 1. Windows error reporting service, and 2. iCloud. As I said earlier, your screen PC may be going on and off, on and off, on and off, and you find it so annoying when you want to use your PC. Guys, no more to worry, let's learn and try fix the problem.